Hi guys, welcome to the Jedi Way. So I've come to my little parking lot space. It's a U-Haul parking lot and it's usually empty, especially at nighttime. And I kicked a bunch of leaves from over on the side, kicked them toward the middle of this little parking lot. So it's a pretty calm night. Thought maybe I would try to do some mini tornado work, but it's going to take finding the energy to do it, because it's pretty calm. I've been practicing lately, doing many different techniques to discover quite how to do this. I'm getting pretty good at it. So what I'm doing now is just kind of winding the energy up for a second. You got to get it going. It doesn't just lift off the ground by itself. So you got to stir the energy. I'm definitely getting some energy stirred up, as you can see. Things are just kind of scattering. So it's about building the tornado. You can't just expect it to grow, you have to learn to build it. And building it requires different directional energy coming in, left, right. Then you have to force it upwards to get it to spiral, but you have to spiral and lift at the same time. So I'm trying to discover all these little techniques to get leaves to lift from the ground. As you can see, it's so dead I've lost focus. So I was trying to think. I wasn't really sure what I'm doing, so I lost focus. I'm going to reach for the trees, regain focus. I'm going to try this again. Isn't it weird how everything just scatters, like little things move? That's me thinking again, like concentrating on what I'm doing, but then it starts moving and then I get kind of confused. So I lose focus, but what I'm doing is gaining knowledge at the same time, because I'm really learning how to do this here. This isn't no joke. There's no wind tonight, nothing. It's very, very still, and I'm just here on the side of an empty parking lot. So all the little movements you guys see, that's me starting to gather energy from directions, bringing it to the leaf pile. So let's try this one more time. See if I can at least move this leaf. Have to get it to at least do something. I don't know, I keep going out of focus. My energy throws the camera off. Alright, here we go.